So in this video, we're going to talk about the difference in ABS filament and PLA filament. First is ABS, which is short for acylnitrene butadiene styrene. So it's oil-based, and it's really strong and sturdy. It's actually the same thing they use to make Lego blocks. It's got a pretty high melting point, but if you don't have like a good heated bed, because of that high melting point, it actually warp when it's cooled. It also, if you're in an area without good ventilation, ABS is kind of has strong fumes. It's not really that pleasant. Um, so it's more widely used in manufacturing. It's not used as much in hobbying, but if you have like a good prototype and a good model, it can make a good strong 3D print. PLA stands for polylactic acid. It's actually an organic material. It's cornstarch and sugarcane. So it's got a lot lower melting point, and a lot of times when you print it, it's kind of smoother and shinier. It doesn't have the strong fumes that ABS has, um, and it's got because of the melting point, it's a lot lower than ABS. Depending on if you're storing it in some place that gets hot, it can actually kind of warp the material even in storage. But PLA a lot of times for prototyping and basic use for 3D printing in schools is just kind of quicker and easier. It's just a easier material to work with. So that is kind of our basic differences between ABS and PLA.